Good morning, everybody. For today's Saxon lesson, we're going to do our spelling test just like we always would in class. I'm going to start with this paper, so make sure you have this one out first, and then I'll go on to our spelling word test. Make sure you put your name and date at the top. It is April 3rd, 2020. So the digital date is 4/3/20. April is the 4th month of the year. It's the 3rd day in April, and it's 2020. 1 through 5, I'm going to read the word, and I want you to spell it on the line. As we go through the words, you will probably notice which pattern they are focusing on for you. Number 1, wheel, wheel. The wheel on my wagon fell off. Wheel. Number 2, whale, whale. We saw a great whale in the ocean. Number 3, whiff, whiff. A whiff of something is a scent of something. I got a whiff of brownies as I walked through the kitchen. Whiff. Number 4, whisker, whisker. The cat liked to play with his whisker. And number 5, why? Why? Why did you have to go to the store? Why? Number 6 through 8, we have 3 patterns that we learned and 3 pictures. I'm going to tell you the pictures so you know which one would go with the sound. The first picture is a whale. The second picture is a wallet. Wallet. And the last one is a cashew. Cashew. Nine through 12, you're going to practice your coding, of course. Make sure that you get all of our different patterns that we've learned. Don't forget consonant digraphs, vowel digraphs, magic E, bossy R combinations, diphthongs, final stable syllables, syllable breaks. We have all kinds that we've learned. So make sure that you don't forget any of those as you code. When you finish coding, you can go ahead and write our 3 sight words on the line for practice: often, every, and very. When you're done with that, you may flip it to the back. You may read your story and answer your 3 questions that go along with the story. Just like we do in class, I want you to make sure you go back to the story and underline your answers so you make sure you get the correct answer. If you want to pause it and take a minute to work on that, you can, and then restart your movie, and then we'll go on to our spelling test. Make sure your name and date are at the top of your spelling test as well. Remember, practice your best handwriting. The more we practice, the better we get. Number 1, 7. She is 7 years old. Number 2, hoped, hoped. I hoped I would get the toy I wanted for my birthday. Hoped. Think about that root word. Think about the suffix you have to add to the end. and then how you're going to write the word with the suffix. Number 3, chipped. Chipped. The glass chipped when I dropped it on the floor. Again, think about your root word, think about your suffix, and think about what rule you have to follow when you add that suffix onto the root word. Number 4, hopped. Hopped. The bunny hopped across the field. Hopped. Again, think about your root word, think about your suffix, and think about what you have to do to your root word before you add that suffix on. Number 5, large. Large. We got a large pizza to share for dinner. Large. Number 6, trading. Trading. We were trading our toys with each other. Trading. Again, think about your root word, think about your suffix, and think about the rule you have to follow on that word before you add the suffix. Number 7, know. I know the correct answer. Know. Number 8, write. Write. Don't forget to write your name at the top of the paper. Write. Number 9, playground. Playground. I love to play on the playground with my friends. Playground. Number 10, before. Before. Make sure you brush your teeth before you go to bed. Before. Number 11 and 12 are our sight words. Number 11 is country. Number 12, again. When you're done with your words, go ahead and flip your paper